Now you've reached the third volume. I'm so happy. Congratulations to you all. Now in the third volume, you can finish learning the rest of the Adavus. Now the next Adavu, you go on to do Tattai-tam, or known as Paical Adavus. In this you can see how the jump is being introduced in the Adavu patterns. Tattai-tam. Dhalang kutakadi kutakata tikitat Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Jump, jump, jump. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Move on the side nicely and jump. Rittai-tam. Kitataka Tat. Next variety. Kitataka Tat. Sit behind. Tattai-tam. Dittai. Look at the hand. Follow the hand. Tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Rattai-tam. Next variety. Tai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Tattai-tam. This is second speed. Tai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Tattai-tam. Rittai-tam. Rakka. Ingenious. See, even in this, I'll ask one by one to do for you to have a better view of this Paical Adavus. Paical meaning again jump. One by one do. You do first, Bhavya. Once you do this Tattai-tam, you show, you sit behind, and how when you do the twirling, where she takes one leg to hit her hip and then come back to the summer position without being disturbed. There is no shake in the body. And then the next pattern will be done by Shruti. Now Bhavya will do the sitting behind. Dhalang kutakadi kutakata tikitatom Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Now she lifts one leg, stretches the other leg and comes. And now Shruti, you do the jumping. Dhalang kutakadi kutakata tikitatom Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tat-tam. Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Dittai-tam. Now I'll ask them to do, both of them to do the same Adavu just once in the second speed on either side. You will have a better idea. Why I'm making them do this a little more, the variety, see how she stretches her legs, how the movement is introduced in these Adavus for the jumping Adavu in this. Start ma. Dhalang kutakadi kutakata tikit Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai. Stretch and jump. Tai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Rittai. Now the next variety. Tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Kitataka Dittai-tam. Kitataka Tattai-tam. Ginnatom. Now you can take a look how I split. Now do the second half first and then do the first half. Then when you join, you will get it. Dhalang kutakadi kutakata tikitatom takka dimmi takka jonno takka dimmi takka jonno takka dimmi takka dinatam. See, you saw how when they turn, when they take the twirl, or we call it Brahmari, how when she goes, she lifts the right leg to hit the hip and then comes back and stands in the sama position. Same thing on the left. And now the first half will be seen. Dhalang kutakadi kutakadati kitatum. Tat tai tam. Kitatakadit. Now sitting back. Jump. Dit tai tam. Tat tai tam. On the left. Tat tai tam. Kitatakadit tai tam. Tat tai tam. Dit tai tam. So this is the Tattai Tam Adavu, and you saw the other Tattai Tam how they jumped also.
Paical Adavus, as known as Tattai Tam. Dhalang kutakate kutakatati kitatum ta tei tam kitatakade tei tam kitatakada tei tam kitatakade tei tam kitatakada tei tam dit tei tam ta tei tam dit tei tam kitatakada tei tam dit tei tam ta 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 tei tam takatati kinatum.
After the Tattai Tam Adavu, we go on to the Utplavanam or the jumping Adavu. That was Paidal. Paidal means you leap in this. That is, earlier Adavu is called Paidal, meaning leap. Now we go on to the jump Adavu known as Utplavanas in Bharatanatyam. Girls do the Utplavana or the jumping Adavu. Dhalang kutakadi kutakatati kitatum takka dimmi rakka jonnu rakka dimmi takka or tajam tayyum tattaha tajam tayyum tattaha tajam tayyum tattaha tajam tayyum. Now next speed. Tajam tayyum tajam tayyum 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 tattaha tajam tayyum tajam tayyum. Third speed. Tai 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 tai. So this is known as Utplavana or jump. We can even do this Paidal tai tai diti tai, but that will come when I take the Chinna Thirmanam and Periya Thirmanam Adavus. This is only the jump. I will just ask them to jump and show in front. Dhalang kutakadi kutakatatikid rakka dimmi takka jonnu takka dim. On the left hand, jonnu takka dimmi takka jonnu takka dimmi takka dinnatam. So this also is jumping Adavu. All of you would have seen when the dancer jumps on the right, she takes up the right foot first. Then when she goes on the left, jumping on the left, she takes the left foot first. That's how the discipline should be followed for these Utplavana or the jumping Adavus.
Utplavana Adavu is known as Guditadavu. Dhalang kutakate kutakatati kitatum dit teyum tatta ha dit teyum tatta 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 dit teyum ta dit teyum ta dit